in round 2.
Round 2. Yes. Same. Sapling.
Joe Spencer. Oh, I just got a triple kill with an RPG.
OMG. What? I shot him. Oh, this isn't a one-shot kill, is it?
Yeah, it is. It tends to be.
Oh, well, it wasn't. I hit him dead on.
Most of the time, it's...
Well, maybe across the map it's not as good.
Well, yeah, nothing's quite as good across the map, but...
Okay, there's another. I'll take this one.
Why can't I kill this?
The DSR 50. It's pretty good.
Yeah, if you want, your one-shot kills, the DSR 50.
Dude, wait, how did he get in?
I don't know, he's just been, like, going crazy around here.
It's like I'm just gonna run around. Dude, we're, like, all coming up. Holy crap, can you kill him, please?
Yep, I got him.
Thanks.
I was going crazy, though.
Yeah.
See, and then he can just play again, so...
Crap, this guy. Okay, there we go. I was gonna say. Ooh,
People
ballista.
are really annoying me. Like, you have no idea
Where did the ballista go?
how annoying this is.
Assist. Really? Oh, you should shoot me through the wall.
Boom. That's all I gotta say. Double kill.
He's just like, okay, I'm just gonna shoot him through the wall, but nope. Oh, does a little like ducks down because he can. Holy crap! Assist. Thank you, whoever killed that guy.
We're gonna lose. Nope, can't defuse in time. I had the bomb. Oh well.
I think that was the last death. Hunter killer.
Hey, I got that triple kill with the RPG.
Oh.
LOL, trolling. He wanted the final kill cam.
Oh!
Emblems.
Gotta hate him.
Yeah.
People spend way too much time on them, though.
I know. Some of them are actually, like, amazing. I have no clue how they do it.
Some of them are really detailed. Meltdown. No.
Random.
Yeah.
I need to work on my PDW.
I'm gonna make a sniper class real quick, so it's not gonna probably happen in time. But hey, you know, who cares?
I don't.
I'll make it next time. Oh, actually, I got some.